It is day number 10 on the 30-day Shiba challenge, the 30-day buying challenge of Shiba. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Shiba is up 9% of the day, October 17, 2021, of the recording of this video. Now, we're at day number 10 in the process, and we'll be putting things in the captain spreadsheet of the 30-day challenge. So let's go ahead and go to Coinbase.com. We've been doing this every day since October 8th. So let's go ahead and buy some Shiba today. So we're going to go ahead and buy $75 worth of Shiba once again, and that's going to be the same amount we bought yesterday. So we're going to buy $75 worth, and what's going to happen is we probably get a little bit less than we did yesterday because the price is up today from yesterday. So that's okay because this is a long-term strategy. Now we're going to go ahead and click on view transaction and put the numbers in the spreadsheet. I hope you're keeping track at home. Who's with me? I know you with me. Thank you so much. So let me go ahead and click on here and look at this right here. Little Timmy's going to really like this today. 2.5 million Shiba. So let me go ahead and put this in the performance, and everything will pretty much be the same in terms of the price because it's exactly what we did just yesterday. But what will be different will be the price of Shiba. That will change. So $72.01, and that is the amount that I really got worth of Shiba. And let me go ahead and do this, format the sales, just like we've been doing each and every single day during this process. So now we have it in the books, 2.5 million Shiba we bought today, and that add our Shiba amount to 17 million Shiba. We only spent $22.37 and $524.63 of the Shiba amount. I'm doing this video to show you how to track it. It doesn't matter how much you invest or spend. Make sure you do your research first, but then track it each day, each week, each month. And you see in here, all I'm doing is the price, what I pay for, the fees, and the amount of the investment. In this case, it's Shiba. So let me go all the way down here. November 6th, it looks like that's the last day of the 30-day challenge. Now, the next one we're going to do, I'm going to let you know already. It's going to probably be Saitama, more than likely Saitama, and 𝐿. Maybe Saitama and then 𝐿. We're trying to decide which one will be first. So, and keep it simple, one thing at a time, diversify your portfolio. And also, I've already tweeted this out. Let me go back here. I believe I did this already. Let me tweet this out. Let me go ahead and make sure I tweeted this out. I believe I did. Yeah, we did. We tweeted it out. Always with you, brother. I bought $20 today. Day number 10 of 30 Shiba buying challenge is complete. Who's with me? And I thank you for watching these videos every single day throughout this challenge. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Yes, it's in the book. I'll see you October 18th, 2021. I believe that's a Monday. So Monday may be a very, very interesting day. And look at it, 17 million Shiba. What are we going to do with that? Well, we're going to move it to our Coinbase wallet and maybe do some type of giveaway or something. I'm still trying to decide what we're going to do. My name is Adam Shelton, the captain, signing out. If you need Coinbase or eToro or Webull of getting Shiba or any other tokens, click on the link below. Get started. I'll see you on the inside.